Hi everyone. Today we will learn about chi-square test, understanding chi-square test application in research. Our learning objectives are understand the concept and purpose of chi-square test, types of chi-square test, assumptions required for chi-square test, chi-square test application in health sciences, interpretation of chi-square test. Okay, what is chi-square test? Chi-square test is a non-parametric statistical test for association between two categorical variables. Two main types of chi-square test. Goodness of fit test is distribution of one variable as expected. Test of independence, is there a association between two variables? Consider an example to understand the chi-square test. A study was conducted with the aim to determine the association of smoking status. One is a smoker, two is non-smoker with lung cancer. 1 years to no. Check whether the findings of the study supports the researchers' hypothesis that there is a significant association between smoking status and lung cancer at alpha level 0.05. The data are given below. Chi-square test of independence hypothesis. The null hypothesis, there is no association between smoking status and lung disease. The alternative hypothesis, there is a significant association between smoking status and lung disease. The assumptions of chi-square test, both variables are categorical. Here our variables is smoking status and lung disease. Both are categorical. Observations are independent. Second assumption, yes, each patient appears once reading. The expected frequency in each cell is greater than or is equal to 5. We discuss later is random sampling. Assume data from or population from hospital base. The third assumption, expected count is in each cell is greater than or equal to 5. The formula of expected frequencies, row total, column total and ground total. After calculation, expected frequency in each cell is greater than 5, 30, 70, 30, 70. Chi-square test statistics. Chi-square is equal to sigma observed minus expected value square divided by expected value. After calculation, chi-square value is 9.52. Degree of freedom and p-value. Our degree of freedom is 1 and the tabulated value is 3.84. Our calculated value is 9.52, which is greater than 3.84. We reject our H naught. Our p-value is less than 0.01. Use a chi-square table to estimate our p-value. Here we have choose 1 degree of freedom in chi-square table and corresponding values. The values is 7.879, which is corresponding to 0.005, and 10.82, which is correspond to 0.001. So chi-square value is 9.52, lies between the 7.88 to 10.83. So the p-value is between 0.001 and 0.005. We cannot calculate exact p-value from chi-square table. Interpretation: there is a statistically significant association between smoking status and lung disease. Smokers are more likely to have lung disease in this sample. To solve this example in SPSS, we first open our SPSS program. Here we have two windows, data view and variable view. Yellow marks show the we are present in data view. In variable view, first we create our variable, three variables, serial number, smoking status, lung disease. Our categorical variable, we give the values. We open the values button and enter the values and labels and press button add and press OK. One is non-smoker and two is a smoker. For lung disease, one is no and two is yes. Press add button and OK. Here our variable view show the three variables with their values. In data view, we enter our data 200 values. In SPSS, our option is analyze descriptive statistics cross tab. In cross tab, we move our smoking status in row and lung disease in columns. In statistics, we press button statistics for chi-square check. Press continue. For percentages, we press the button cell and check observed value, expected value and rows percentage and press continue and press OK button of cross tab window. Output we will show the results. Results have three tables: case processing summary, smoking status, cross tabulation and chi-square test. Cross tabulation show the expected count and rows percentage. And chi-square test show the p-value 0.002, which means there is an statistically significant association between smoking and lung disease. Smokers are more likely to have lung disease in this sample.
Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.